guys, welcome back. Look, my boxes are done. Well, almost. I haven't resined yet because I have to wait a few weeks more to resin these, but I just wanted to show you. I'm so happy with these first two boxes that I've done. Look at that. So the tile just sits in top there. I don't know, maybe if you missed the video on these, I can just show you. Just flip that out. See, there's the tile, and there's the jewellery box. This one's got a white interior, and then the tile just sits in there like that. So there's the blue one, and there's the turquoise one. Just love them. I have got more of these to do. I'll show you the other sizes. So these ones here are in like a light brown. They are 7 inches and the tile is 6 inches. Look at this little one, he's so cute. Let's see how I open him, which way he opens. He opens that way. So that's him there in black, and he is 5.5 inches, and the tile is 4.5 inches. So that's that little guy there. And I've also got some of the same size but in like a cherry color, mahogany, I think that might be called, and it's got the cream interior. So I'm going to be pouring on all of these over the next couple of weeks anyway. I've got a few, and then I've also got this one, which is a longer one. So it's the same as the one below, 7 inch by 9 inch, that one. So that one's, I'm going to have fun doing that one. Not sure if it'll spin all that well being rectangle, but it's got the cream interior as well. So really looking forward to doing those. And then I'll resin them all, and they've all got like a velvet or felt underneath. That one's black. What's this one? This one's like a reddish color. That one's a reddish color as well, and that one's a black one as well. Get the fluff off. So there you go. Just wanted to show you what I've got coming up, and then I will have to learn how to resin, won't I? I will try some practice pieces first, but yeah, just wanted to show you these before I get started on today's pour. So let's get to it. Hey guys, this is my first resined placemat, and I wasn't sure how, when to pull the tape, so I've been asking everybody on my Facebook group. It's like I don't want to touch the top, so I'm holding I haven't even, the sides, they're dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that on its edge like that. Doesn't matter if the edge is touching, does it? I'm a bit close there. Let's have a look. How's that? Oh, that's worse. Sorry, someone's just come home. Sorry, my daughter just come home. If I do that. Anyway, I thought I'll just see if I can get a little bit of this tape off. And look at that. It's coming off. One little piece anyway. So I'm going to try just to touch the side here, because I was told you either wait until it's cured and then like heat the resin there on the edge with your blowtorch. But I thought, oh, that might be a bit hard to do, and I'm just going to try this and then Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Thank you, Karen. She said, was it 12 hours? I can't remember now. I just read it this morning. So it's still, I mean, it's still tacky, I guess. I think if you push on it, it might leave a little mark there. But anyway, I'm just going to have a go at peeling this off. I'm sort of pulling down towards the center. And I've never done this before, so go easy on me. I don't know if this is right or not, but I just thought I'd show you my first experience with resin. It seems to be coming off really quite easily. Just pull that off. And there's my, now I don't want to pull this that way, so I want to pull it inwards, so curl it back around, because I don't want to risk this edge lifting. So I'm always just going to, I'll move that around and hold the top there, so I don't get my fingers on the top, because I had no idea how to do this without touching the top. I've got a bit of a pick at it there, I guess. And there we go. Continue. Just move it around. Hopefully you can see. I guess if you didn't want to use your nails, you could just get like a little, I don't know, palette knife or a little, I don't know, some sort of a knife. Nothing too sharp that's going to maybe scratch. There we go. Look at this. I'm doing it, you guys. I'm doing it. Oh, that bit's come off as well. It's going to come off in pieces because I've just laid, you can see there, pieces of masking tape. This was this was my very first placemat actually, and I didn't have any frog tape. I just used masking tape. So a few have got the masking tape, and then when I went and got my frog tape, the rest of them have got that. So I will have to just, I guess, pick out a few little bits and pieces like that. But yeah, I'm just trying to pull down instead of up. I'll get those later. I won't worry about those little bits now. And because I used, if you guys watched me make these, I used ready-made placemats that I bought from Kmart. And they were grey on the one side and then this timber on the other side. So, and I painted on the grey side. And I thought it would just be really nice just to leave that natural timber look on the bottom. Like I'm not going to put felt or anything like that on it, or cork. Just going to leave them as is. Hopefully this resin is heat proof. I will do a video on what I did. Not that I'm any expert, but I'll show you the product that I used and how I did it shortly. But I just thought, well, just go through the tedious job of getting this tape off, hey? It is a bit tedious, but I'm getting there. And as I said, I'm just holding the top here. I'm not putting my fingers on the actual top of, oops, there's a bit of resin must have gone underneath there. But yeah, I think the timber will look really pretty. I don't think it needs to have any cork or felt or anything. What do you reckon? Here we go. Look, I'm nearly there, you guys. Oh, that's a big bit. It's always good when you get a big bit off like that. So, pulling down towards the middle. Ta-da! Look! I did it! I did it! I did it! There's a couple of little lines there from the tape, I guess. But look, who's going to care about that? Hey! Ta-da! Now let me see if I can, I don't want to hold the top, but I want to see if I can show you the finish. It's not perfect. I can see like a tiny little speck of dust or something on there. Oops. Ah, forgot to take my notifications off. I wasn't planning on doing this video. As you know, I started peeling a bit off and I thought, oh, maybe you guys would like to see how I did it. So there you go, look at that. But yeah, when I look really closely, I can see this tiniest little hair in there. But yeah, wrapped with that. Love it. You can see a reflection of my epoxy glass. There's the box there, epoxy glass barns. But yeah, I'll go through that with you another day when I do the video. But look, I did it. Yay! All right, I'll see you real soon for the next video. Bye for now.